Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today we are going to continue on second subtopic for chapter 4, which is we are going to find a determinant for 2 by 2 matrix and a 3 by 3 matrix. And we are also going to see how to find properties of determinant. So basically we are going to find this the two learning outcomes. We are going to find the determinant of matrix and we are going to kalau kamu tengok kat sini, kita akan cari minor and cofactors. So what is minor and cofactor? I also highlighted here. Okay, kita akan tengok apa tu minor dengan cofactor. So let's just go straight to the question. So first we are going to see how to find a determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. But first you have to know what is the determinant. Okay, what is determinant? So kita simbolkan determinant kita sebagai this thing. Okay, macam modulus lah. Kita boleh tulis determinant A or modulus A. Tapi dia bukan modulus, dia ialah determinant. Okay, determinant can be negative, can be positive, can be fraction, decimal, semua boleh. Tak ada masalah. Okay, so for determinant of 2 by 2 matrix, basically we are going to use this formula. So determinant of A is equals to AD minus BC. So A times D minus B times C. So you have to be extra careful with negative positive. Okay, kalau negative akan jadi positif lah. Okay, so if the question said given that let's say A, B, C, D, this is considered as determinant. Okay, ini bukan matrix. Okay, ada orang tanya saya, boleh tak nak letak square bracket, boleh tak nak letak, sorry terbalik, betul lah, square bracket, round bracket, ada beza ke? Tidak, sama je, boleh. Kamu nak guna round bracket boleh, nak guna square bracket boleh. Tetapi ini tak boleh guna. Okay, ini hanyalah untuk determinant. So bila dia bagi benda macam ni, contoh let's say if the question said find 2, 3, 4, 5. So apa yang soalan tu suruh cari? Dia bukan suruh cari matrix A. Okay, matrix A dia kena macam ni. So dia bagi macam ni, tanda tegak macam tu, which is the question asked for a determinant. Okay, a determinant for matrix 2, 3, 4, 5. So make sure you have to be extra careful dengan bracket kamu. Okay, kalau kamu buat jalan kerja dengan bracket yang macam ni semua sekali, semua salah, daripada atas sampai ke bawah salah. Okay, you want to use round bracket, you want to use square bracket, tak ada masalah. But please, this is only for determinant. Okay, so now we are going to see example 8. Given matrix A and matrix B, find a determinant of A. So we have determinant of A. We are going to use the formula AD minus BC. So basically we have A and D, 2 times 8 minus B times C. B times C, 5 times 3. 5 times 3. So we will have 16 minus 15, which is equals to 1. So yang ni salah satu mesti kena tunjuk. Okay, salah satu mesti kena tunjuk, sama ada darab ataupun yang tambah tolak tu. Okay, so for B we have determinant of B, we will have 3 times 2 minus 2 times 5, which is we are going to get 6 minus 10 equals to negative 4. Okay, so settle. So the next one is matrix. Find the determinant of A times B. First, you have to find A times B. Okay, ada dua cara sebenarnya. Nampak yang sebelah tu dia suruh cari BA. Okay, ada dua cara. First, if you want to find a determinant of EB, we can find AB first. Tak ada masalah. Okay, ini balik semula kepada kita punya video yang sebelum ni, which is multiplication. Okay, kita darabkan dulu. 3, 2, 5, 2. Which is darab. Whenever you multiply, make sure to show the working first. Okay, so we have ini darab dengan yang ini. So 2 times 3 we will get 6. 5 times 5 we will get 25 plus 25. Okay, teruskan yang atas, ini dengan yang belakang. 2 times 2 we are going to get 4. 5 times 2 plus 10. Okay, and then yang bawah pula, di row bawah, 38, 35. We are going to get 9 plus 40, and the last one we are going to get 6 plus 16. Okay, so here you are going to get 31, 49, 14, 22. So the question asks for determinant of AB. So we just use the formula, which is AB minus BC. So here you are going to get negative 4. Okay, so ini cara biasa lah. But we are going to do we can find our determinant by using properties. So nanti kita akan tengok apa tu properties of determinant. Ada few properties. So let's say dekat sini the question asks for determinant of BA. So instead of kita cari pula multiplication of BA, we can just use the properties by using determinant B, determinant A. Okay, so determinant of BA is equals to determinant of B times determinant of A. So determinant of B we have from question B, which is we are going to get negative 4. Determinant of A we have it here 1. So negative 4 times 1, straight away kita dapat negative 4 dekat situ. Okay, satu lagi properties dia, determinant of AB is equals to the determinant of BA. Sama lah dekat situ. Okay, so you can choose. Kalau kamu ada determinant of A, determinant of B, you can just use properties. Okay. Okay, so next. Okay, now before we go to how to find determinant 3 by 3 matrix, we are going to see how to find minus and cofactors first. Okay, why? Because to find the determinant for 3 by 3 matrix, we have to know how to find minus and cofactors. So what is minus? So as you can see here, minor of the element Aij is the determinant of the matrix. Okay, kita dah tahu macam mana nak cari determinant, tapi obtained by deleting the ith row and the jth row column of A. Okay, so let's say saya ada kita punya matrix lah, saya tulis secara general. Okay, so ini secara general matrix kita. Okay, so saya dah bagi tahu apa benda sebenarnya nombor ni. Yang depan represent row, yang belakang represent column. Let's say for 2, 3, 2 ni maksudnya dia berada di column 2. 3 ni, row 2. 3 ni maksudnya dia berada di column 3. Okay, so what does it mean by determinant of the matrix obtained by deleting the ith row and jth row? Let's say if I want to find minor of 1, 1. Okay, if I want to find minor of 1, 1, so the question said, the definition said the determinant of the matrix. So we know that minor ialah determinant. Okay, determinant of something. Something tu apa? By deleting the ith and jth row. So ini ialah I kamu, ini ialah I, ini ialah J. So satu-satu dekat sini kan, row yang pertama, kolom yang pertama. So kalau kita padamkan dia, padamkan row pertama, padamkan kolom pertama, apa yang tinggal hanyalah A22, A22, A23, A32, A33. So kita akan cari determinant for this one, which is we are going to get minor 1, 1 is equals to A22, A33 minus A23, A32. Okay, nampak macam susah sebab banyak sangat A dekat situ kan, secara general. So kita tengok dia secara nombor. Let's say if I have matrix B equals to 5, 3, 4, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2. Contoh. Okay, so I want to find minor 2, 1. Okay, minor 2, 1. So minor 2, 1, kita punya row 2, kolom 1. Row 2 kita padam, kolom 1 pun kita padam. Okay, so apa yang tinggal ialah, ingat minor is a determinant. So determinant equals to determinant of, apa yang tinggal dekat situ, kita akan ada 3, 4, 3, 2. So now we are going to calculate determinant of 3, 4, 3, 2 is equals to 6 minus 12, which is equals to negative 6. Okay, so that is how you find minor of a matrix. So now kita akan pergi pula kepada cofactor. So cofactor ni senang je, tapi sebelum tu kita tengok dulu apa definition dia. So here's the formula, which is kita ada Cij. Ij dekat sini ialah row dengan column Ij ni lah row dan column. Yang inilah yang kecil-kecil ni. Tu Ij dia. So we have the formula negative 1 to the power of I plus j times by minor of Ij. So tak payah pening-pening, kita terus pergi kepada contoh. Let's say if I have C11, which is row 1 column 1. So masuk dalam formula negative 1 to the power of I plus j. So kamu tambahlah 2 ni. 1 tambah 1 kita akan dapat 2. Minor 1 1. So negative 1 to the power of 2, you are going to get positive. Okay. So contoh kalau dia suruh cari C21, negative 1. So sekarang akan jadi to the power of 2 plus 1, which is 3. Okay. Minor 2 1. Minor tu tak kisahlah apa yang dia bagilah. So kat sini kita akan ada negative 1 to the power of 3. We are going to get negative M21. Okay, so let's say if the question said negative 33. Okay, sama juga negative 1 to the power of 6 M33. You are going to get positive M33. Okay, so instead of kita kira satu-satu for every element dalam matrix kita, apa yang kita boleh buat ialah kita boleh guna ini. Nampak dekat sini? Ini adalah signs of cofactor kita. So kalau kamu tengok C11 yang ini kan, kita akan dapat positif. Sini C12 kita akan dapat negatif. Positif, negatif, positif, negatif, positif, negatif, positif. Okay, so ini kamu hafal je benda ni, kamu fahamkan yang ini. So cofactor dah tak ada masalah lah. We just put the sign dekat kita punya minor. Okay. So let's see example 9. So given matrix A, find M1 and C12. Okay. So let's find our minor first. Minor 1 2. So we are going to delete row 1 column 2. Row 1 column 2. Delete row 1, delete column 2. So apa yang tinggal ialah negative 2 4 4 negative 3. So kamu tahu minor ialah determinant. So negative 4 4 negative 3. Okay, so now we are going to calculate here. So kita ada 6 tolak 16, which is we are going to get negative 10. Okay, so that is our minor 1 2. So if you want to find cofactor 1 2, kita masukkan dalam formula negative 1 power 3. Macam mana dapat 3 kat sini lah. 1 tambah 2 darab dengan cofactor minor kita, which is negative 10. So here we are going to get ini akan dapat negatif. So negatif akan dapat positif. So positive 10. Okay, so that is how we find our minor and cofactor. So kita cuba lagi sekali untuk yang B. Kita ada M31 equals to, okay, so nak delete yang mana satu? 31. So we are going to delete column 3 row row 3 column 1. Okay, yang depan ialah row, yang belakang ialah column. Kalau still tak tahu lagi row dengan column tu apa, pergi tengok mana satu row, mana satu column. Okay, so here we are going to left. Okay, so this is our determinant. We are going to find negative 16 plus 0, so we are going to get negative 16. Okay, so to find the cofactor C31 equals to, use the formula negative 1 to the power of 4 times by negative 16. So here you will get positive. So positive, negative, we are going to get negative 16. Okay. Okay, so both of these you can DIY, which is your minor is 22. Your minor is 2. C22 is also 2. This one is 22 as well. Negative 22. Okay, sila Mr. DIY kan sendiri. So now we already know how to find minor and cofactor. So next, example 10. See, the question said find all cofactors of a matrix. So instead of kita cari satu-satu, apa yang kita boleh buat ialah kita boleh buat the whole thing. We are going to create a big matrix. Okay, one big matrix dekat sini. So let's say kita letak ini sebagai matrix A. Okay, so this is a matrix A. So we are going to find, if you want to find cofactor, you have to have a minor. Okay, tengok dekat sini. Kalau kita nak, if you want to find a cofactor, you have to find your minor first. Okay, so before we find our cofactor, we have to find our minor. So let's find minor first. So minor of A, saya tulis MA lah, equals to, so we are going to do a big bracket. So kita akan cari determinant of satu-satu entry kita. Okay, so first this one, which is this one ialah 1, 1. So kita akan delete kat sini, delete kat sini. So yang tinggal ialah 0, negative 1, 1, 4. 0, negative 1, 1, 4. So next, yang sebelah dia, yang ini kita akan delete, yang ini kita akan delete. Yang tinggal ialah 1, negative 1, negative 4, negative 4. 1, negative 1, negative 4, 4. Okay, so yang kat sini pula, apa yang tinggal? Which is yang ini, kita akan delete yang ini. Delete yang ni, yang tinggal 1, 0, negative 4, 1. Okay, boleh teruskan? Okay, so now we have already do the determinant for one big matrix of A untuk semua entry kita. So now apa lagi yang kita perlu buat ialah kita perlu kira lah. Okay, so macam saya cakap dekat untuk cari untuk cari determinant, wajib kena tunjukkan ini. Okay, wajib kena tunjuk jalan kerja dekat sini. Okay, sama ada yang ini ataupun yang inilah. So we have to do the working first. So big matrix, so the first one, so kita akan dapat here AD, A times D is 0 minus B times C. So B times C is negative 1, so we will have 0 minus negative 1, we will get 0 plus 1. So here we will get 4 times negative 3 is negative 12 minus negative 10, which is plus 10. And here you will get negative 3 times negative 1. We will get 3 minus negative 10 times 0, which is 0. Okay, boleh teruskan juga lagi. Okay, so saya harap saya tak salah kira lah. Kalau saya ada salah kira, nanti kamu pandai-pandai lah betulkan Okay, sebab tak ada orang nak tolong saya bertengok kan. Okay, so sekarang kita kira. Sini akan dapat 1. Here we will get negative 2, 3, 0, 4, negative 1, 1, negative 1, 3. Okay, betul ke? 4, negative 3. Okay, so that is our minor. So if the question said find the minor of matrix A, so that is your answer. But for this question, the question said find the cofactors. Okay. So let's see. Kita cari. Lari pula. Come back. Okay. Kita nak cari cofactor of A. So basically apa yang kita buat, kita tahu cofactor of A kita boleh guna positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive of our minor. So basically kita just tambah je positive. Sorry. Sini. Positive. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Okay, so basically kita tambah je dia punya sign. So here for 1 kita dapat positive 1, so positive lah. So negative 0 still lagi 0, positive 1. So negative of negative 2 we will get positive 2, positive 4, negative 1 akan dapat positive, positive 3, negative of negative 1 kita akan dapat positive, so 3. Okay, so that is your answer for cofactor of A. Okay, so kalau kamu nak skip, tak nak buat, tak nak cari satu-satu, kalau kamu nak terus tulis dekat sini positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, and then here is cofactor of A pun tak ada masalah, boleh. But please be extra careful when you calculate here. Okay, please be extra careful on your working here. Bila bertambah lagi sign, nanti bertambah lagi lah kesalahan dia. So tak ada masalah untuk buat sekali, but just be extra careful with the sign. Okay, so that is how we find our cofactors. So now we can proceed to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so basically if you want to find a determinant of 3 by 3 matrix, you have to know how to find a minor, how to find a cofactor and a determinant lah. Okay, so we have 3 things, which is a cofactor, minor and a determinant. Okay, so first, so this is the formula. To find a determinant of A, we have A11 times C11 plus A22 plus C22 dan seterusnya lah. So A11 tu apa? A11 ialah N3 kita yang kita akan guna. Okay, C11 is a cofactor. Okay, so cofactor mesti kena ada minor lah. So kalau kamu tengok dekat hint dekat sini, always choose a row or column that have the most zero. Okay, that have the most zero. So if you want to find determinant for a 3 by 3 matrix, kita akan choose satu row ataupun column. Jaranglah kita choose column, tapi tak ada masalah untuk kamu buat. Biasanya kita akan buat row lah, lagi senang nampak. So let's see example 10. The hint said that we have to choose row or column that have the most zero. So as you can see here, from this matrix, row 2 kita ada 0. So we are going to choose that row. Okay, negative 3, 0, 1. Okay, so we want to find a determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. So we have determinant of A. So kita choose row yang kedua. So kita tulis siap-siap, negative 3, 0, 1. Okay, so that is our A. Itu A. Okay, apa entry kita dekat sini? That is our A. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 tu depends on kamu lah. Kamu nak pilih row or column yang mana. So kita tulis dulu. And next, kita akan pergi. Dia akan jadi cofactor, minor, and then we are going to get a determinant. So cofactor is the sign. Okay, positive, negative, positive. So as you know that here, apa sign dekat sini? Apa sign dekat second row ni? Kita ada positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Okay, so sign dekat second row is negative, positive, negative, negative, positive, negative. So we are going to put our sign negative, positive, negative. Okay, so now kita tahu cofactor kita mesti kena ada minor. So kita darab dengan minor. Minor kita kat belakang. Okay, darab dengan minor. Okay, to find cofactor mesti ada minor dekat belakang kita. So first, for this entry kita delete row, delete column. So yang tinggal ialah negative 5, 1, 5, negative 4. Negative 5, 1, 5, negative 4. So for second one, kita delete sini, kita delete sini. 2, 1, 2, negative 4. 2, 1, 2, negative 4. And the last one, yang ini, padam. Yang tinggal ialah 2, negative 5, 2, 5. 2, negative 5, 2, 5. So sekarang tinggal kira je lah. So here we are going to get 3. So yang dalam akan jadi 20 minus 5. Yang ini obviously kalau darab dengan 0 akan jadi 0 lah. Okay, sebab tu kita choose the row or column that have the most 0. So less calculation for you. So less calculation, less mistake. Okay, so this one is plus 10. So just find the answer, just put everything on the calculator. You are going to get 25. So the determinant of A is equals to 25. Okay, so for B, let's try for B. Kecilkan sikit yang ini. Okay. So we have B, determinant of B. So kamu nak choose mana? Tak ada yang ada 0. Okay, none 0 dekat situ. So we can choose any row or any column. So let's say if I want to choose this one here. Okay, so put the entry first. We have negative 1, 3, 2. Okay, entry first, A dulu. And then we're going to consider the sign of our cofactor. So sign of our cofactor, itu semua berada dekat first row. So positive, negative, positive. So here positive, negative, positive. So positive, positive, positive lah yang kat depan tu. Positive, negative, positive. Okay, so we're going to multiply by the minor. Okay, so minor yang first one ialah negative 5, negative 4 to negative 1. Okay, for 3 yang ni kita delete kan row dia dengan column dia. 7, negative 4, 6, negative 1. 7, negative 4, 6, negative 1. And the last one is 7, negative 5, 6, 2. Okay, so now we are going to calculate. We will get 5 plus 8 minus 3, negative 7 plus 24 plus 2, 14 plus 30. Okay, so kalau saya tak salah kira, the answer would be 24 here. Okay, so senang sahaja untuk cari determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Tak banyak pun step, as long as you know how to find the minor. So jangan lupa, ini mesti kena ada. Okay, the entry kat situ mesti kena ada. Okay, balik semula. If the question said find the cofactor, find the minor. Ini minor, betul tak? So janganlah kamu tambah entry kat sini. Jangan tambah 11, negatif 3, negatif 10, 1, 0, negatif 1. Okay, janganlah letak kat situ. That only works when we are going to find the determinant. Okay, so apart from that, nope, don't put A dekat depan dia. Okay, faham ke? So let's try last example here. Boleh buat dulu, lepas tu check jawapan. Kamu boleh pause video, buat dulu. Okay, contoh dekat sini. Saya nak pilih kolom pula. Okay, nak pilih kolom, boleh, tak ada masalah. Okay, kita pilih kolom, let's see. Kita pilih negative 3, 0, 6. So we are going to put negative 3, 0, 6. Okay, now we put the sign. So this is positive, negative, positive. So positive, negative 3, negative, positive. Sorry, this is negative 6. Okay, now we are going to find the minor. So we will have for negative 3, 1. Okay, boleh kira? Okay, so betul tak jawapan kamu? Kita akan dapat 0. So determinant can be 0. As I said earlier, determinant can be 0, can be negative. So janganlah rasa jawapan kamu tu salah. Okay, so here is the answer is determinant of D equals to negative 31. So make sure you do this. Okay, ada dua Mr. DIY. Soalan ni dengan soalan yang sebelum ni. Okay, so that is all. Next kita akan tengok properties of determinant.